Pistachios. The very word conjures images of vibrant green nuts nestled inside their slightly open shells, just begging to be cracked open and enjoyed. Often referred to as the smiling nut due to their naturally split shells, pistachios are not just delicious, but also pack a powerful nutritional punch. Don't let their small size fool you. These little green gems are brimming with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Imagine sinking your teeth into a handful of these crunchy delights. You're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also fueling your body with nutrients that promote heart health, aid digestion, and keep your energy levels soaring. And let's not forget the antioxidants, those tiny warriors fighting off free radicals and keeping you in tip-top shape. But where do these nutritional powerhouses come from? How do they go from being a bud on a tree to the satisfying snack we all know and love? Buckle up, food fans, as we embark on an incredible journey tracing the life of a pistachio from farm to table. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of pistachio farming, harvesting, processing, and distribution. We'll delve into the intricate processes that transform these humble nuts into the delectable treats we enjoy. And along the way, we'll uncover the challenges and triumphs of pistachio production in a world grappling with climate change and sustainability concerns. Picture this: vast orchards bathed in warm sunshine, rows upon rows of trees stretching as far as the eye can see, their branches laden with clusters of green gold. This is pistachio paradise, but creating such a haven for these precious nuts is no easy feat. Pistachios are quite the demanding crop, thriving only in specific regions with a unique set of climatic conditions. Think hot, dry summers and cool, mild winters, the kind of climate that makes you want to reach for a tall glass of iced tea. Pistachios need plenty of sunshine to soak up and well-drained soil that allows their roots to burrow deep. These trees are hardy, able to withstand drought conditions that would make other crops wither. But it's not just about the weather. Pistachio trees are also quite particular about their chill time. They need a specific number of hours of cold temperatures during their dormant period to properly flower and produce fruit. It's a delicate balance, like a perfectly calibrated recipe, and getting it right is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Now that we've explored the ideal pistachio habitat, let's delve into the life cycle of these fascinating trees. Pistachio trees, you see, are not your average fruit-bearing wonders. They're slow growers, taking their sweet time to mature and bear fruit. We're talking 5 to 7 years before they even start producing a decent crop, and reaching full maturity can take up to 2 decades. That's right, folks, patience is a virtue when it comes to pistachios, but the wait is well worth it. Once established, these trees can live for hundreds of years, producing their precious green bounty year after year. Imagine the stories these trees could tell, witnessing generations come and go while patiently nurturing their nuts to perfection. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and a reminder that good things come to those who wait. And when it comes to pistachios, the wait is always rewarded with a truly delectable experience. Section 4. Shaking things up, harvesting the green gold. As summer fades and autumn approaches, the pistachio orchards come alive with activity. It's harvest time and the air is abuzz with anticipation. Remember those mature pistachio trees we talked about? Well, they've spent the past year diligently nurturing their precious cargo, and now it's time to reap the rewards. But don't go picturing farmers delicately plucking pistachios one by one. Oh no, this is a much more efficient operation. Large machines rumble through the orchards, their mechanical arms reaching out to grasp the branches of the pistachio trees. With a gentle yet firm shake, they coax the ripe nuts from their shells, sending a cascade of green gold raining down onto outstretched nets spread beneath the trees. It's a mesmerizing sight, witnessing the culmination of months of hard work and anticipation. The ground becomes a sea of green, a testament to the bounty of nature and the ingenuity of farmers who've mastered the art of pistachio harvesting. Section 5. Separating the nuts from the chaff. Initial sorting. With the harvest complete, the real work begins. The pistachio nuts, still encased in their protective shells, are gathered up and transported to processing plants where they'll undergo a series of transformations. The first step in this journey is all about separating the wheat from the chaff, or rather, the nuts from the debris. Remember those mechanical harvesters shaking the pistachio trees? Well, they're incredibly efficient, but they also tend to collect a fair bit of leaves, twigs, and other orchard detritus along with the nuts. That's where the initial sorting process comes in. Think of it as a giant sieve, separating the valuable pistachios from the unwanted debris. Conveyor belts hum with activity as the harvested pistachios are carefully spread out, allowing workers to meticulously remove any foreign objects that might have snuck through. It's a crucial step, ensuring that only the highest quality nuts make it through to the next stage of the process.